Hey. Wait till you see this. I'll show you why the music's on just a second here. Bear with me. Same circuit. Same deal. House ground, earth ground. It's been raining all day, so things are really wet out there. Coming off there, we're going to 10 LEDs. All in parallel. Nothing else. No resistors, nothing. Voltage, take note. 1.4. Notice how the music, when the music gets a little bit louder, heavier, more of a bass note coming in, the voltage surges slightly. Well, hold your ears and watch this. This is just going to the speakers. There's nothing else going on here. This speaker down here and a couple mounted on the wall. Now I'm going to give it some hell here. Look at that. This is coming from the ground wire, the house ground. Look at the voltage now. When the bass note hits, it surges up. Alright. What kind of compressional electron pumping is this? House ground. Earth rod ground. Is this line noise? Is it still harvesting? Or is some kind of compressional pumping going on here? Why would this PA unit be putting noise back into the ground line? Why wouldn't it be absorbed into the earth, shortest path to ground? It's obviously not no high voltage, so where it could be going everywhere. Plugged into the same circuit, all along the bench here. These are the same ones. And it goes over here, and then this is plugged into the same thing. So it's all the same receptacle line. They're all sharing the same grounding and neutral and hot. So now you see the voltage drop way down, and I turned it down. This doesn't seem like interference to me. It seems more like an electron pumping going on.